Your latest image? Look at the parallax on this one. It's inconsistent with the catalog.
Run the trajectory again from the initial frame. The delta V doesn't match a stable orbit.
Are you seeing this?
The deviation is significant. It shouldn't be moving that fast. The latest telemetry just came through. Probability just jumped to 45%. We need to recalculate the orbit based on the new observations. Get me confirmation on the impact zone assessment immediately. The observation data is definitive. The orbit has degraded faster than projected. We need a confirmation on the Torino scale assessment immediately. Running the simulation now. The uncertainty corridor is narrowing right here. Yes, but the latest telemetry shifts the impact zone further south. We are analyzing the latest data from the tracking array. The impact probability remains low, but we are preparing the briefing documents for your review.
Taste this.
We are tracking a rapidly developing situation. An object of significant size is on a trajectory towards Earth.
Early
We are following a rapidly developing story. NASA has just confirmed the trajectory of an object.
This is a developing story. Scientists are monitoring an asteroid detected just hours ago. While the risk remains low, the trajectory is intersecting with Earth's orbit.
Did you see this asteroid news?
It's trending everywhere. Is this even real?
We are monitoring the situation closely.
They're saying it's massive.
I think that's it right there.
The news said it would be barely visible. It's moving slowly.
We are live with a critical update. As you can see, the countdown clock is now under 24 hours until the projected impact time. NORAD confirms the trajectory. We are tracking the recently detected asteroid, now designated 2023 PDC. NASA officials confirm it is on a potential impact.
The latest telemetry shows a slight deviation in the K factor. Run the simulation again. Confirm the probability rating. As the OSIRIS-REx spacecraft nears the surface, its solar panels gather energy, while the attitude thrusters make fine course corrections.
What does the alert say?
It says to shelter in place.
Keep moving, folks. Right this way to the helicopter. Families, stick together, please. Keep moving to the aircraft. Let's go, let's go. Watch your step on the ramp.
Did you get enough water?
I grabbed the last 2 cases. We need batteries, too.
Breaking news. A large celestial object is currently streaking across the sky above the eastern seaboard. Authorities are tracking it closely.
Tsunami alert! Everybody run! Get to high ground now!